I have a question.
Yes, please.
Is it like a lot of scoops, or is it like,
It's like
one
large
scoop, one big scoop, or am I serving a lot of children? This episode is brought to you by Proactive MD.
Hey guys, welcome back to Get Jacked. Today we're in for a really exciting episode.
Yo, I'm about to pee in my pants with excitement because we're at Millennium Dance Complex. Everyone and their mama has danced here. Justin
true.
Timberlake, Janet Jackson,
Us.
Britney Spears, us now.
I'm so nervous, I don't think I can handle it. Yeah, you'll be fine.
Let's go. You're gonna be great.
I'm
It's
so
gonna be great.
excited.
It's gonna be great. Hello there.
Hi. Welcome to Millennium Dance
Thank
Complex.
you.
Yes.
This is the mecca of dance for all of Los Angeles and the world, really.
Oh yeah, it's all over the interweb.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited you guys came today. I'm David.
Hello, Lily.
Nice to meet you. And Jocelyn, I remember you for sure.
Good to see you again. So we collaborated on an epic video for Step Up 3D,
True.
the best ever Step Up film.
Yeah,
to be
I think it
honest.
may have been the best step up for sure.
Great to see.
Yeah,
Great
yeah.
to work with you
Yeah,
again.
great to
today.
dance with you again. I love it. Okay.
I'm Sinead. Nice to meet you, but we've
Sinead.
actually heard so much about you.
Oh, really? Okay.
You on the Super Bowl recently?
Oh snap! I may have been on that Super Bowl stage. Okay.
you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, so our routine today is I want to push you guys a little bit, but I also
Great.
want you to have fun and I want you to look good.
Okay.
So we're gonna have some
That's good.
couple
That's
of
always preferable.
couple of grooves, couple of sharp moves, couple of milli rocks. We're gonna get in there.
Millie Rock.
What's
Yeah.
that mean?
Today you find out.
Oh, come on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
What's up, guys? We are here. Are we nervous? Are we excited? A
Yes.
little bit of both. Okay, cool. Super easy beginning. You're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's see it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1
for it,
and 2
Jocelyn.
and 3.
Get it, girl.
Okay, solo, solo, solo. Okay, good. Good thing is that's not really it. I'm just kidding. Okay?
It was close. It was close.
I know you guys are super
You got
stressed. Okay. So it actually starts on 1. Right foot's gonna go 1, 2, and I step 3 and 4.
Hey.
Do it up a little bit. We go 6, 7, 8. You're going no, no, ya, ya, ya. Okay. one more time.
Yeah.
You got it. You got it.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8. Go no, no, ya, ya, ya. Then I'm gonna step on my left foot. I go slide 6. Just a little yes. Having a good day. 7, 8.
It's like one of the
Try that.
Kind of like ice skating.
It's a little bit like
Yeah.
it's a little bit Winter Olympics heat for sure. All right, scoot up again.
lost it.
5, 6 from the top. 7, 8. We go slow, slow, tap, tap, tap. Slide Olympics, slide Olympics. All right, let's keep going. You guys got it, yeah? So 7 and 8. This is gonna be kind of like if you get annoyed with your coworker, you're going, no, not today. No, not today.
Not
Yeah?
today, Satan.
So from here you want to cross, push, cross, push.
Killing it.
7, 8, cross first. Cross and a push and a no and a pop. Yeah?
Yeah.
The
No.
first thing is no, top, no, top. Let's try from the top. 6, 7, 8, you go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and a slide. 6, 7, 10, 8, you go no, not today, and a no, not today. Good.
This is so fun.
I like how you're just shaking your head too. Like you're really feeling it.
Drew Peter Pan. I did. Enjoy. Obviously enjoy.
All right, it's looking really good, girls. Let's add on. So we finished no, not today, and 2 and 3, 4. Just like I told you in the lobby, we're going milli rock. I go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So to milli rock, you just want to think like this is an ice cream scoop.
This
Got
is
my
like
hand?
Drew does this all the time.
Yeah, this is
He
like
does.
your move, right?
I love this.
Okay, we're
We're the
here,
best,
we're
we're the
here.
best for
Okay. Scoop a little ice cream.
cream?
Scoop a little ice cream. Yeah. So your feet are gonna go step, slide, step, slide, scoop, slide, scoop, slide, scoop, slide, scoop, slide.
So fast. We're opening a shop. We're starting a franchise.
Stop, 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 stop. Okay.
I
We're
feel
there,
like
we're
everyone
there,
is
we're
doing
there.
the same thing and I'm doing something different.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Is it like a lot of scoops, or is it like
It's like
one
one large
scoop, one big scoop, or am
Well,
I serving a lot of children?
That's a great question.
You
It's
know?
like kind of if you're freestyling in the
Always.
middle of a circle, which I feel like you usually do.
Constantly.
Then that's a personal choice. You can do whatever here, haha. But for today, we're going 1 and 2, a 3 and 4.
Okay,
so just
cool.
2 scoops.
Right, this is literally my dance when I get some good food. I'm like, oh.
This is
feel
your
you,
dance at
right?
all moments of every day.
Definitely. Okay, so now that we're warmed up, we're gonna get a little more advanced. You with
Great.
me?
Okay.
Ready.
Okay, okay. So 8, I want to jump down. You with me?
Totally
Not
with you.
quite, okay.
Totally with you.
Still
In
thinking
here,
about it.
I'm with you
catch me up.
Okay, well, it'll catch up. We go 7 and 8. I'm gonna jump down. 1. And I'm gonna pull my right arm back as my knee goes down. And 2, and 3, and 4. Flex on them. Yeah. So this goes 7, 8, drop. 1, right side, left side, then flex. 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and hop. Ooh, nice.
Wow!
Faster. So
I
we
couldn't
did
do
came from
anything
here.
without Jocelyn because she's my hype man on the side.
Confidence booster.
You're like Lil Jon, but prettier.
Hey, there you go.
Sweet!
Here we go. 5. I go 5, 6. Jump at 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Nice. You guys are ready for like Justin Timberlake's tour.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm gonna text him and tell him that I have 4 new girls.
Do you have
that'd
Justin
be great.
Timberlake's number?
Do we want us to call on speakerphone
We're
right
gonna
now?
steal your phone.
FaceTime!
Okay. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and then I'm just gonna kind of hang out with this flex. I go, check out the stars, check out the stars. Yeah?
I like that one.
Yeah, so you just, that's an easy one.
That's nice.
Just get that chin up like something smells good. Cookies are baking. Ooh, yeah.
Avocado.
Yeah, avocado. Ooh, yeah.
All the delicious
Avocado
things you think
toast,
about.
yes. Okay. Kumbacha, or whatever it's called. Ooh,
Is
okay.
this gonna be one of those situations though where the music turns on and suddenly it's like,
It's like wet, like 100 times faster? No. It is a little faster, but it's not that situation.
okay,
So-
All right.
All right, let's do a little bit more. Almost done.
Awesome.
So this goes 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna step to my right foot. As I do, I'm calling this splash the water.
It's like Thriller.
There you go. Yeah, it's a little Thriller, but
God.
with more swag and coolness, right?
Right.
So you want to think 1, and 2, and 3, and stop on 4. You take a little elevator down too. So I go 5, 6, 7, 8, da 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 yeah. So it should
I
start
know.
kind of up here, and it should end kind of down here in this little surfboard.
Good, that's the lowest I can go.
Okay.
Surfboards, elevators, Olympics.
Olympics.
Are these the terms you use for everybody? Like the profesh, like JT, or is this just
no,
for us?
I don't really use it with the profesh. It's more like
Just for us, huh?
it's more like what are the terms I use for kids. No offense.
That's
Well, I
neat.
appreciate
yeah.
that.
Because it makes it fun, you know? Like,
Yeah, totally.
exactly.
Easier to digest.
here we go. Splash the water. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And then we're going to do a little ripple pose. So we're going to go pose. You're going to pose wherever you want. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, okay. So 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. A pose, and a pose, and a pose, and a hey. Okay. All right, top. Last time. A little bit faster.
ready.
Faster. Here we go.
Ready, coach.
5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Boom. And a 2. And a yeah. And a 5, 6, and a 7. Let's go. A 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. A 5, a 6. Jump it on down. 1, and a 2, and a 3. Take it slow. Oh yeah, surfboard. Let's go. A 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a pose, and a pose, and a pose, and a how.
Honestly, I feel
dope.
like this is what our true calling is.
I really think so. We have a really good t-shirt.
We really do.
We're gonna be in JT's tour by the end of this, Jocelyn.
We're just like manifesting it. I'm gonna put this on my vision board.
All right, so let's work out this little outro ending pose. Now we're gonna take 4 counts to just get closer together. So we're gonna have a little 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, obviously you'll come in to the
like
right.
I'm going the wrong
Wait,
direction.
closer
Like,
together
closer, got it, back here.
means go out the door? No. Okay. 1,
Okay.
2, 3,
like
4, and then he
cool
says
hands.
hello.
You can stand up.
Hello,
Okay.
and we got a phone call for a second.
Oh, we're all ending
and
on
that could
hello?
be anywhere. You could be looking any direction for your phone. Doesn't
Okay.
matter.
Is this the hotline bling?
Exactly. Yes. Perfect.
That's this
That's what
thing
Drake
too.
was talking
That
about.
whole.
Yeah.
So it'll be kind of like a group picture almost. We went 7, 8, 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7. Get closer. 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Hello. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
I like it. Then we just bounce for a second. 6, 7, 8. Hello. We just throw our phone up.
I love it so much.
Yeah.
This is so fun.
We're basically Fifth Harmony.
Basically,
I know.
yes.
Like literally.
All right, guys, we've learned it all. Time to
Yep.
get with some music. Are you
All right.
excited?
Music.
Yeah.
Are you still nervous or are you more excited now?
I'm less
excited.
nervous.
Okay, less nervous. I like it.
As long as you stay right there.
For this first one, actually, just because I believe in you guys so much,
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you guys do it
Oh,
by
no.
yourself. Yeah, you got it. Trust in yourself. Remember, believe it. Follow your heart. Believe in your dreams.
Right,
All those
follow your
things.
heart.
Yeah, you got
Be
it.
it, dream it, believe it.
All right, here we go. So let's get some
hardest.
music going. Let's get
You
some
guys,
music.
you guys
each
got
other.
screwed up because now I'm just gonna be watching you.
Oh my God.
Where does it start?
I'll count you in.
Why do we
1,
Frowning.
2,
Oh my God.
5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 8.
Not today. Oh yeah, not today.
2, 3,
Hello.
6, 7, 8.
Hello.
Hey.
You did really good.
Pretty good, pretty good. I'm impressed. It feels like it's there, but we just need to add one more little thing. You guys know what it is?
More moves,
Food.
talent.
A lot of good options, but I'm thinking wardrobe.
Oh.
I'm thinking style, swag.
That's,
Ooh,
now
yeah.
you're speaking our language.
You guys are there with me?
Yes.
All there.
All right, get some clothes on, get some wardrobe on, and let's get it going. That way. Wow.
We're ready. We're
Okay.
feeling ourselves.
All right, I'm
We
not
look like
mad
we're
at
into
it.
it now.
Looking good, looking good. You guys feel like you're totally in character now?
Yeah.
So in character.
This is gonna make
It
me
changes
better
everything.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this is
you
this
were-
was- this
you
is
were
that
right.
110%.
100%.
In character.
10%. Really quick,
Yes.
David, before we jump into all the dancing, need to know my hat. How do you feel about it emotionally?
It's super cute for sure. It's definitely giving me like hip hop competition vibe, yeah?
Yes.
So if you were ever like competing in hip hop, like at
Which
a
I
dance
am
studio, yeah?
right now.
Then
you hear
you're
the
pretty much
squeal?
nailing it with the hat.
A lot of people have mixed opinions on the
okay.
hat, but I feel very good
I
about
don't
it.
know who you possibly would be talking to.
It's very
Hating.
chic.
Listen,
I like it.
embrace the
I think
hat.
it's
You got
cool.
it, okay?
Thank you so much.
Cool.
You can borrow anytime.
Okay, thank you. All right, let's go. Cue the music. 5, 6, 7, let's go.
Wait a minute, wait a minute,
hey,
wait a
hey.
minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.
Hey.
Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a
Hey,
minute,
let's
wait a
go.
minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.
5,
Wait a
6,
minute, wait a minute,
7,
wait a minute. Wait a
2,
minute.
3, 4.
Hello,
Ah, yeah.
hello.
You guys did so awesome. Thank you for coming today,
Thank
learning
you.
the routine.
Thank you so
The best.
much.
Great work.
See you on tour.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
Tickets $5.99.
Buy one, get one free.
We have to pay people to come.
You guys, that was so fun.
It was fun. It wasn't
We
as hard as I
really
thought, but I am very sweaty,
And I know this is probably a TMI moment for everyone watching,
What?
but I have really bad back knee when I
Oh,
sweat a
yeah.
lot,
Oh, yeah,
which
I
like
get that.
isn't very often.
Yeah.
But I can't really reach it myself, so I'm gonna need you to help. This is the Proactive Acne Clearing Body Spray.
Ooh.
I'm a big fan. It helps me with my back knee.
Cool.
If you could help me apply, that'd be great.
Lay duh. All right. I'm just gonna spray it. Ooh,
Friends help friends clear up their back knee.
duh. This is awesome. That's it. All done.
I also have
Problem?
other essentials if anyone would like a beverage.
Are you kidding
stay
me?
hydrated.
I
Good
love you
Lois,
so
thank
much. I don't really have a back knee issue, but that brush that we used on Beauty Break, do you
I was a
remember
big
that?
fan.
I've been using it after all my workouts for like a really deep cleanse. It just makes me want to like go home and wash my face so bad.
But speaking of workouts, I think it's time to go because we need to start planning our tour.
Right. So
Yeah.
true.
Tickets will be on sale soon, everyone.
Prices
It's
are
very
rising.
exciting.
Yeah.
Prices
Get
are
'em now.
rising.
Get them while you can.
Get them while you can.
They're gonna sell out soon.
Sweat it and forget it. Proactive's got you covered with all kinds of amazing skincare products, like the new Charcoal Bristle Pore Cleansing Brush. Get it free today when you use the link in the description text below. This episode was brought to you by Proactive MD. Click right to see us talk about some things we absolutely love on Beauty Break, or click left to see last week's episode of Get Jacked, We Join the Circus.